Doctors are opening the skull to remove a brain tumor with incredible precision. Have you ever wondered how doctors can safely remove a tumor from the brain? The answer is a surgery called a craniotomy. A brain tumor is a lump of abnormal cells that grows inside the brain. As it gets bigger, it can press on the brain and cause problems like headaches, seizures, blurry vision, weakness, or trouble speaking. When the tumor needs to be removed, doctors perform a craniotomy. The surgery begins after the patient is given general anesthesia. This means the patient is asleep and won't feel anything during the operation. The surgeon first makes a cut in the scalp and gently moves the skin aside to expose the skull. Next, special surgical tools are used to remove a small piece of the skull. This creates an opening so the surgeon can safely reach the brain. Under the skull is a thin protective covering called the dura. The surgeon carefully opens this layer to reach the brain. Now comes the most important part of the procedure. Using a powerful surgical microscope, the surgeon carefully finds the tumor. Every movement is slow and precise to protect the healthy brain tissue around it. The tumor is then gently separated from the surrounding brain. If it is small, it may be removed in one piece. If it is larger, the surgeon may remove it a little at a time until all of it is gone. Once the tumor has been removed, the surgeon carefully checks the area to make sure there is no bleeding. The protective covering over the brain is then closed. Next, the piece of skull that was removed at the beginning of the surgery is placed back into its original position. It is held in place with small metal plates and screws. Finally, the scalp is closed with stitches or surgical staples. After surgery, the patient is taken to the recovery room, where doctors closely monitor them as they wake up. Brain scans may also be done to make sure the tumor has been removed successfully. Although brain tumor removal is one of the most delicate surgeries in medicine, modern technology and skilled surgeons make it possible to remove tumors safely while protecting as much healthy brain tissue as possible.